Welcome back, focused learners, to another explainer. Look around for a second. The world we knew just a year or so ago in 2025? Yeah, it's officially gone. We used to think of AI as this cute, basic toy in our phones, a neat little trick to draft an email or, summarize a long PDF. But wow, did we underestimate it. Right now, we're crossing the threshold into an era of massive, unprecedented professional and operational transformation. By 2027, the absolute fundamental rules of work, creativity, and how we scale a business, they are being completely rewritten in real time.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our blueprint for today. We're going to rocket through 6 major shifts that will redefine how we work and scale. First, the 2027 productivity revolution. Then, we'll look at AI swarms, basically your new digital staff. After that, we're scaling media and physical labor, unpacking edge AI as your external brain, exploring decentralized AI for enterprise, and finally, how you can actually direct this future of work.
Starting with Section 1, 2027 and the Productivity Revolution. This is all about the shift from passive tools to true business infrastructure. AI is escaping the screens of our laptops and entering the real physical world, fundamentally rewriting the rules of professional productivity as we speak.
And this brilliantly illustrates exactly what that shift looks like. We are moving away from what you could call human doing into human directing. In 2025, we were totally stuck doing the manual labor, switching between 20 open tabs, endlessly typing out prompts to a passive AI. But by 2027, think about a marketing director. They're not doing manual data entry or managing 10 different fragmented apps anymore. No, they are directing autonomous systems that literally do all the heavy lifting for them.
That brings us to Section 2, AI swarms. This is our first major technology. It's your digital staff, and it's all about managing an entire ecosystem of digital experts.
The era of the single, lonely AI chatbot, it's totally over. Instead, you'll be deploying a fully synchronized team of digital specialists. Think of it like this. You are the head chef in a world-class restaurant. You don't chop every single onion yourself, right? You set a high-level goal, like launch a new product campaign. Your lead AI agent takes that goal and automatically chops it up into, say, 20 distinct tasks. Then your hyper-efficient, adorable digital sous chefs take over. You've got a creative agent generating the visuals, an analytical agent crunching the budget data, and a coding agent actively building the landing page. They actually talk to each other. They correct each other's mistakes, and they execute these massive projects flawlessly while you are literally asleep.
Which leads perfectly to this point. The ultimate leverage won't be how hard you can physically work anymore, but how effectively you can direct your digital swarm. This is the new baseline, and frankly, if professionals don't learn to adopt this manager mindset and manage these agents right now, they're going to be left managing the dust.
Let's move to and see how this builds into Section 3, scaling media and physical labor. Here we'll introduce technologies 2 and 3. Next-gen video synthesizers and embodied AI, driving exponential output across both digital pixels and physical floors.
First, let's look at the media side. Remember early AI video? The weird morphing faces and wonky gravity? Well, by 2027, generative video pipelines become mathematically perfect. We are completely moving away from just generating 5-second clips to basically generating entire realities. A single independent creator or marketer can upload a script and instantly generate a flawless, cinematic movie with perfect physics. It rivals the output of an entire corporate Hollywood boardroom. The barrier to entry for world-class storytelling completely dropped to zero.
But what about the physical world? For years, robotics and AI were sort of on parallel tracks. Robots had bodies but were pretty unintelligent, and AI was super smart but trapped up in the cloud. Well, that completely ends with large behavior models, or LBMs. These are highly intelligent AI brains trained inside massive digital simulations through endless trial and error so they actually understand the physical laws of our world. Now imagine putting that brain into a humanoid body. It beautifully merges software with physical reality. You've got a robot on a warehouse floor that doesn't need to be programmed line by line. It just watches a human pack a box one single time and boom, it instantly knows how to physically replicate that action.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the sheer operational impact of this shift. When you compare standard human workers to embodied AI, it's staggering. These humanoid workers, they don't fatigue. They never need a coffee break or sleep. Instead of a lengthy 3-week onboarding process, they observe a task once and they've got it. And because their operational cost is dropping rapidly below standard human hourly wages,
We are going to see a massive, immediate commercial deployment of these workers, completely reshaping global supply chains, logistics, retail, and manufacturing floors.
Moving to Section 4, Edge AI. This is our fourth technology. Think of it as your external brain, with native intelligence living securely right on your local devices.
So right now, practically all your AI experiences rely on your data bouncing back and forth to some giant centralized server farm somewhere. But by 2027, thanks to incredibly advanced neuromorphic chips, you'll have hyper-personalized, ultra-powerful AI running locally on your laptop or phone, no internet connection required. And because it's local, it builds a totally secure private memory of your work and daily life. Imagine you're a financial analyst dealing with super-sensitive client data. Your Edge AI learns your unique modeling patterns, silently filters out your junk emails, and get this, it can even monitor your stress biometrics and auto-reject low-value meetings to protect your focus hours. It's a remarkably cute, ultra-personalized little ecosystem designed entirely to optimize your focus and protect your peace.
Think about that for a second. Edge AI is no longer just a tool you click open, it's a supportive environment you live inside of. But with this ultimate convenience comes a pretty incredibly cool, yet maybe slightly chilling question for us to ponder. When your device knows your anxieties and can predict exactly what information you need before you even ask, where exactly do your own thoughts end? And where does the algorithm begin?
On to Section 5, Decentralized AI for Enterprise. This is technology number 5, and it's all about how you own your piece of the global intelligence grid.
This right here represents an energetic, massive counter-revolution against the trillion-dollar tech giants. Look, right now we live in a highly centralized world. A tiny handful of megacorporations decide what AI is allowed to say, how it handles your data, and what they're going to charge you for it. But Web3 infrastructure and huge open-source breakthroughs are totally changing the game. Pretty soon, everyday businesses, say a consortium of mid-sized law firms, could literally chain their local computers together to run their own massive, highly capable AI models privately. This peer-to-peer computing democratizes processing power, completely bypassing the corporate giants and ensuring uncensored, sovereign AI and absolute data privacy.
So the crucial point is this. Section 6, Directing the Future of Work and Equipping the Sovereign Thinkers of 2027. This is that magical destination where human capability finally meets exponential technology. So I'm going to leave you with this provocative question as we wrap up today's explainer. Do you want to live under the corporate cloud, or do you want to build your own network? The tools for absolute operational freedom are literally right in front of us, and the future is absolutely going to belong to those minimalist directors and forward-thinking workers who learn to eagerly command them. Thank you so much for learning with me today, and I'll see you in the next explainer.